Well, we have seen a spat of severe weather across the globe in terms of severe weather and flooding here within the past week. In the United States, it really was a lot of massive amounts of heat, coast to coast. And just as the Midwest and the East Coast were getting over that heat wave, another one fired up out west. Now in Japan, you can see here heavy rains causing floods, landslides, flooding so bad that people are stranded on rooftops in many areas. Now I've got to say, when it gets this bad and you have towns completely inundated with water and people are stuck on rooftops, that is a severe situation. You're now taking people out of their sheltering. You're putting them out in the elements. If it's raining, they'll be exposed to that. If it's the baking sun, they're going to be sitting out baking in the sun. In this, they have really nowhere to retreat to. They're stuck on these little islands, which is the roof of their homes. And in many instances, people got to get boats in here to help them. And a shout out to all the people that help their neighbors that have boats or are able to help others. But lives already lost, dozens in this. They're saying dozens still missing. And others buried alive in these mudslides. One in particular hit the Hiroshima prefecture. So, not good with the situation. Of course, we have a system spinning up off the coast of the Carolinas in the United States. It's one to watch. They were talking about the potential of it getting close to hurricane status the other night. It keeps shifting in terms of what they're saying it's going to do, but this is just the beginning. If that one heads out to sea, we'll have to keep an eye on the next system that's coming through there. But as long as this one's still spinning up and active off of our coast, we'll have to keep an eye on it. But I'll leave a link here. I'll continue to update as we see more damage done from these storms. Let's not forget Atlanta, Texas, other areas completely flooded out within the past 48 hours or so. Prayers going out to everyone out there dealing with all this. This has been Dabu7. Much love.